So today I'm about to show you how to connect Telegram to your N8n workspace. First, open Telegram, search for the bot Fatter account, and type /newbot to create your application. Follow the prompts to give your bot a name and username, and bot Fatter will instantly generate a unique HTTP API token. Copy that string immediately and open your N8n canvas. Drag in a Telegram node and click into its parameters. Under Credentials, select Create New Credential. Paste your API token into the field and hit Save to establish a secure link between N8n and Telegram servers. Pro tip: to send messages, the bot needs to know your specific chat ID. Search for @userinfobot on Telegram and type a random message to get your unique numerical ID. Drop that number straight into the chat ID parameter. Inside your N8n Telegram node, type your message in the text box below and hit execute to send your first automated notification. And that's it. That's how to connect Telegram to your N8n workspace. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and comment down below what other topics you want me to break down next. I'll see you on the next one.